What? That was fast.
Yeah, he's gonna move with me too.
Wow. Wow. Yeah.
My family is gonna be buying the salon.
That's incredible.
I know, it's exciting. I'm ready to start my life.
All right, Kristen. Awesome talking to you. And yeah, we'll talk soon.
Okay.
Bye, Kristen.
Bye.
Let's get our heads in the game right now. This is about to get real. Start her loose and loose. There's a car. It looks like it's coming this way. Hi, I'm Neve, and this is my filmmaker buddy Matt.